Hi, welcome back. So you've got your virtual machine running in Azure. Great. But where do you actually store your stuff? Your photos, your logs, your massive databases? Azure has 4 main storage types with some, let's say, unique names. Today, we're decoding them so you never get them mixed up again. First up, Blob Storage. Yes, it's really called a blob. It stands for Binary Large Object, but just think of it as a giant digital bucket. You just drop files in, videos, images, backups, and they sit there as unstructured data. But here is the exam secret, the access tiers. Imagine 3 drawers in your desk. Hot tier, right on top, fast to grab but expensive to keep there. Perfect for your active website images. Cool tier, the middle drawer. Cheaper to keep, but it costs a bit more to pull out. Great for those month-old backups. Archive tier, the bottom drawer, in the basement. It's dirt cheap, but it takes hours to retrieve your data. Use this for 7-year legal compliance logs you hope you never have to see again. Next, Azure Files. Remember that shared Z drive at your office? The one where everyone dumps spreadsheets? That is exactly what Azure Files is. It's a shared network drive in the cloud. Why use this instead of a blob? Because your old applications are picky. They expect a real file system with drive letters. If you need to map a network drive from your PC to the cloud, Azure Files is your best friend. 2 quick bonus types. Queue Storage is like a post office for apps. App A drops a letter in the mailbox. App B picks it up when it's ready. It's a to-do list that stops your system from crashing when things get busy. And Table Storage? Think of a giant infinite spreadsheet. It's no SQL, meaning it's not a complex database. It's just a massive list of simple data, like user profiles or sensor logs from IoT devices. Fast, cheap, and scales forever. Let's lock these in for the exam. Blob, the bucket. Photos/backups/tiers. Files, the shared drive. Legacy apps/SMB. Queue, the mailbox, app messaging. Table, the spreadsheet, simple structured data. Check the description for a storage cheat sheet to save for your final review. Next episode, we're diving into Azure networking. How does all this stuff actually talk to each other? See you in 3.